Hey everybody, Frugal Farmer here. Bo and I are out in the front yard, just walking around. Need to cut the grass, but I hate to use gas right now till all this is over. Of course, gas is cheap, but I don't want to have to go to the station and pick up more gas for my lawnmower. So I've got gas stored, but I just had it for my truck just in case. On today's Shameless Saturday shout out, I'm shouting out Shayna's Catopia. Shayna rescues cats, and she has a lot of cats. And I want to see her get where her channel get monetized, and she can use that money to buy cat food and take care of cats. And her and Danny have a nice little farm. And look at that link in the comment section and go over there and show her some love. And as always, tell us about your channel in the comment section. And if you want to drop a link, the link won't post immediately, but I'll look at it and approve it. And tell us about your channel. And I don't know what he's eating. He probably don't know what he's eating, and he ain't hungry is the thing about it. But anyway, thanks for stopping by. Come back again when you will. Share, comment, like, hit that subscribe button. God bless.